In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Tastytrade in Tradingview. This guide is designed to help you seamlessly integrate Tastytrade into your Tradingview experience. So let's get started. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Tradingview website. Tradingview is an incredibly powerful platform for charting and analyzing financial markets, and accessing it is the first step in our integration process. Once there, you'll want to locate and click on the Supercharts option. This feature is at the heart of TradingView, offering you the ability to visualize intricate data points, indicators, and the overall market landscape with ease. Navigating through Supercharts is intuitive and will form the backbone of your TradingView experience. After selecting Supercharts, direct your attention to the lower portion of your screen where you'll find the trading panel. This panel is the gateway to connecting with various brokerages directly through TradingView. Once you click on the trading panel, you'll notice a variety of options. Don't worry if it feels a bit overwhelming at first glance. This is where you'll establish the connection to your Tastytrade account. So let's proceed with a closer look. Inside the trading panel, click on Show All Brokers. When the list of available brokerages appears, go ahead and scroll through until you find Tastytrade. Alternatively, if you prefer a more direct approach, you can simply click on Find Broker and type in Tastytrade in the search field. This feature is particularly useful if you want to quickly navigate through the extensive list of partner brokers. Once you find Tastytrade in the list, click on the Connect button. This action will initiate the connection process between TradingView and your Tastytrade account. It's an exciting step because it allows you to integrate your trading activities seamlessly onto the TradingView platform, thus opening up a whole new world of analysis and trading opportunities. Make sure that you're logged into your Tastytrade account or have your credentials handy, as you'll need them to authenticate and complete the connection. And there you have it. With Tastytrade successfully connected to TradingView, you're all set to explore the many analytical and trading tools available to enhance your trading strategy. Remember that this integration not only allows you to keep a close eye on your trades, but also takes full advantage of TradingView's robust charting capabilities. If you encounter any issues during the process, don't hesitate to reach out to TradingView support for assistance. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're ready to explore the full potential of TradingView with your Tastytrade account. Thank you for watching and happy trading.